Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today's Friday, June 25th, 2021. It is 8:06 and 38 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, coronaviruses. And don't forget to check out my website. Well, let's hop to it here. Decoding Human Survival from Coronaviruses. Date June 25th, 2021. Source, University of Adelaide. Researchers analyzed the genomes of more than 2,500 modern humans from 26 worldwide populations to better understand how humans have adapted to historical coronavirus outbreaks. The researchers used cutting-edge computational methods to uncover genetic traces of adaptation of coronaviruses, the family of viruses responsible for 3 major outbreaks in the last 20 years, including the ongoing pandemic. Modern human genomes contain evolutionary information, tracing back hundreds of thousands of years. However, it is only in the past few decades geneticists have learned how to decode the extensive information captured within our genomes. And this includes physiological and immunological adaptations that have enabled humans to survive new threats, including viruses. Viruses are very simple creatures with the sole objective to make more copies of themselves. Their simple biological structure renders them incapable of reproducing by themselves, so they must invade the cells of other organisms and hijack their molecular machinery to exist. Viral invasions involve attaching and interacting with specific proteins produced by the host cell, known as viral interacting proteins, VIPs. In the study, researchers found signs of adaptation in 22 different human genes encoding VIPs. Researchers found VIP signals in 5 populations from East Asia and suggest the ancestors of modern East Asians were first exposed to coronaviruses over 20,000 years ago. Researchers found the 42 VIPs are primarily active in the lungs, the tissue most affected by coronaviruses, and confirm that they interact directly with the virus underlying the current pandemic. Other independent studies have shown that mutations in VIP genes may mediate coronavirus susceptibility and also the severity of COVID-19 symptoms. And several VIPs are either currently being used in drugs for COVID-19 treatments or are part of clinical trials for further drug development. Our past interactions with viruses have left telltale genetic signals that we can leverage to identify genes influencing infection and disease in modern populations, and can inform drug repurposing efforts and the development of new treatments. By uncovering the genes previously impacted by historical viral outbreaks, the research study points to the promise of evolutionary genetic analysis as a new tool in fighting the outbreaks of the future. The researchers also note that the results in no way supersede pre-existing public health policies and protections, such as mask wearing, social distancing, and vaccinations. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.